For the first half of the 20th century, no other motorcycle equaled the innovation, spirit, or loyalty of an Indian. Which begs the question, what if? What if the full engineering prowess and unparalleled craftsmanship of the original Indian Motorcycle Company had continued full throttle into the 21st century? That question has been answered. Indian is back and ready to retake our rightful place at the top of the motorcycling industry. We will lead by staying true to what made us America's first and greatest motorcycle company. Purposeful engineering, unparalleled craftsmanship, and superior American quality. We will inspire riders everywhere who want to enrich their lives, not escape from them. Riders who don't need to be sold an image because they're comfortable with their own. Riders who want to create their own legacy on a pure, authentic American motorcycle built for the road ahead. Indian Motorcycle has returned and will once again produce the most innovative and authentic bikes known to man.